In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Helium 10 Cerebro to find competitor keywords the right way without guessing or copying blindly. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever looked at a successful Amazon listing and wondered how they're getting traffic while your product feels invisible, this video is for you. Keyword research is one of those things everyone talks about, but honestly, very few people actually understand how to do it correctly. Most sellers either overthink it or skip it completely. Both lead to the same problem. Your product never gets a real chance to rank. Cerebro is one of the most powerful tools inside Helium 10, but only if you use it with intention. So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it, what to look for, what to ignore, and how to pull keywords from competitors without hurting your own listing. Let's get into it. Now, let's start off with the basics. So what Helium 10 Cerebro specifically actually is. So Cerebro is Helium 10's reverse ASIN keyword research tool. So instead of guessing what keyword people search for, Cerebro lets you look at real competitor products and see which keywords they're ranking for on Amazon. You essentially enter competitor's ASIN, and Cerebro shows you the keywords driving traffic to that product. This includes search volume, ranking position, and keyword relevance. The goal is to not steal keywords blindly. The goal is to understand how Amazon connects products to search terms so you can make smarter decisions for your own listing. Why competitor keyword research matters. Amazon SEO works differently than Google. On Amazon, keywords are directly tied to buying intent. People are searching because they want to purchase something, not just read about it. If your listing is not aligned with the keywords buyers are actually using, Amazon has no reason to show your product. Competitor research removes that guesswork. So instead of guessing what might work, you're looking at keywords that are already proven to convert. This is why Cerebro is so powerful when it's actually used correctly. How Cerebro fits into a smart Amazon SEO strategy. Cerebro is not about copying one competitor and pasting their keywords everywhere. It's really about pattern recognition. When you analyze multiple competitors, you start seeing overlapping keywords. These are the terms Amazon already associates with your type of product. Your job here is to choose the keywords that make sense for your product and match search intent. This is how you build relevance without keyword stuffing. And let's touch on some of the key features of Cerebro. So one of the most important features of Cerebro is reverse ASIN lookup. This lets you pull keyword data directly from competitor listings instead of starting from scratch. Another key feature is filtering. Cerebro allows you to narrow down keywords based on search volume, ranking position, word count, and relevance. This helps you avoid junk keywords that aren't going to help your listing. Cerebro also shows ranking position for each keyword, which helps you understand how competitive a keyword really is. A keyword with high search volume means nothing if your product has no chance to rank for it. And finally, Cerebro allows you to analyze multiple ASINs at once. This is critical for finding overlapping keywords instead of relying on a single competitor. Now let's go ahead and walk through how to use Cerebro in a very simple way. First off, if you don't already have a Helium 10 account, we do have an exclusive link down below where you can save up to 20%. But we'll go into a little bit more details on the different plans later on in the video. So step number one is to find a real competitor ASIN. What we can do is go to Amazon and we can search for a keyword related to a product, a skincare face mask. Maybe we want it to be a sheet mask. Okay, we'll go ahead and navigate to the ASIN number. We'll come to the Helium 10 dashboard. We're going to go ahead and open Cerebro. Now we can go ahead and get keywords. Now, with this results screen, you're going to see a large list of keywords and it can feel overwhelming, but you really don't need to look at everything. The most important columns are keyword, phrase, search volume, okay, and ranking position. The two numbered togethers really tell the full story. Search volume tells you how often buyers search that keyword, and ranking position tells you how well the competitor ranks for it. So again, these two numbers together are really giving us the full picture. And what you can do is go ahead and sort by search volume. Then what we're going to do is filter out low quality keywords. So what we're going to do is come to the filters. Okay, so you can type it into the AI right here. We just want to exclude low search volume. Then you can go ahead and see the organic rank right here. So then you'll want to filter by ranking position. So keywords where competitors rank very poorly may not be relevant to the product. You want keywords where competitors rank reasonably well because that means Amazon already associates those terms with the type of product. Filtering keeps you focused and is just going to save you time. The next step is to look for keyword patterns. So this is the most important part. Instead of grabbing searching random keywords, look for patterns. Are the same phrases showing up across multiple competitors? Are there variations of the same core keyword? These overlapping keywords are your strongest opportunities. They show you what Amazon expects to see on a listing like yours. And this is where Cerebro becomes strategic instead of overwhelming. You also can add up to a couple other competitors as well. So this just helps to again see competitors as well as the actual specific one that we're looking at as well. Next, you want to evaluate keyword intent. So not all keywords are equal. Even if search volume is high, ask yourself what someone is actually looking for when they search that term. Does the keyword match your product exactly, or is it too broad or too specific? Your goal here is relevance. Ranking for the wrong keyword won't help sales. This step will just help prevent wasted effort later on. So for example, this is the search volume trend. Okay, so FSA eligible items only list. This might not necessarily work specifically for your product if it's a face mask, smile line patches, instant faceless serum, vitamin C, travel essentials. So obviously vitamin C, if you had vitamin C in it, that would make sense, but if you didn't, it wouldn't. Then it would just hurt sales because people would come in thinking that you have vitamin C in the skincare and then would realize that you didn't and they wouldn't buy. Okay, then you'll want to save keywords strategically. So once you identify good keywords, save them to a keyword list inside Helium 10. Organize them based on priority. Some keywords belong in your title, others work better in bullet points or back-end search items. You don't need hundreds of keywords, you just need the right ones. This is going to keep optimization focused and clean. Now what you can do is go ahead and if there's any type of keywords that really make sense for you, then you'll want to go ahead and click them right here. Just go ahead and select them, and then you can add to keyword tracker and you can save them to track later on. You also can add to a list, so you can make a separate folder and add it there. You can add to a campaign. You can save to product ideas as well. So they just make it really easy to manage all of this data. Okay, now how to use Cerebro keywords should be placed naturally throughout your listing. Your main keyword usually belongs in the title. Supporting keywords can be used in bullet points and descriptions where they make sense. Back-end keywords should be used for relevant terms that don't fit naturally into visible content. Never force keywords into your listing. Amazon really values readability and relevance more than keyword density. Now, some common mistakes to avoid with Cerebro. So one common mistake, copying every keyword a competitor ranks for. Another mistake is focusing only on high search volume keywords without considering competition or relevance. Many sellers also forget to analyze multiple ASINs, which leads to skewed data. Cerebro works best when used thoughtfully and not rushed. Okay, so just some things to keep in mind as you're using it. Let's go ahead and talk about the different plans and pricing options. You can decide if it's a good fit for your workflow. Again, if you use our link down below, you can get 20% off for 6 months using code EcomMastery20 or 10% off every month when you use code EcomMastery10. Okay, so they do have a couple of different options here. They've got the starter, the platinum, and the diamond. So the starter is $39 per month, and with this you get expert training through an online video course, access to Google Chrome extension, limited usage to keyword and product research tools, limited usage to listing building and optimizations. You also get things like track earnings, you get evaluate reviews, limited usage to market tracker, and limited usage to inventory management. Then with the platinum plan, it's $99 per month, billed yearly. You get everything in the starter, but you get find product opportunities, increase usage for listing building. You can also use their AI-powered advertising and monitor your progress. They even have the expand from Amazon to TikTok with the same streamlined operation and automated FBA reimbursements with managed refund service. Then lastly is the diamond, which is $279 a month, billed yearly. You get everything in the platinum plan, but you also get keyword and listing optimization tools, increased automated keyword recommendations for ads, and you can find seasonal keyword opportunities with 24-month of historical data. You also get advanced advertising capabilities, expand to new marketplaces, and get personalized and actionable insights to grow. So find a plan that best fits your needs. You can always start with the lowest plan on the starter plan and make your way up. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to touch on the pros and cons. So again, you can decide if it's a good fit for you. So starting with the pros, Cerebro provides real keyword data directly from competitor listings. It removes guesswork from Amazon SEO. Filtering and multi-ASIN analysis make keyword research so much more accurate. It also just saves time compared to manual research. For the cons, the tool can feel a bit overwhelming at first. Keyword data still requires judgment and strategy, and not all keywords shown will be the right for every product. Also, as a con, you can't just purchase Cerebro specifically, you get all of Helium 10's tools, so that might be a factor with costs. So again, just some things to keep in mind. If you're serious about selling on Amazon, Cerebro is one of the most valuable tools you can use. It helps you understand how Amazon actually works instead of guessing. You don't need to be advanced to use it, you just need to be intentional. If you want to start using Cerebro today and save up to 20%, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below and use code EcomMastery10 or EcomMastery20. Amazon keyword research does not have to be complicated, it just needs to be done with purpose. Cerebro gives you that visibility into what's already working so you can build smarter listings instead of starting from scratch. If you take the time to understand patterns and intent, keyword research becomes one of the biggest advantages. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you build and grow e-commerce businesses with clear, practical strategies. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.